Hi guys, welcome to my channel Braga Art, and I want to say thank you to all my friends. Always good comment in my videos. In this video, I shout out to Grisan Kumara. Okay, in this videos, I collect many art that he painting nice 3D art, and he used only charcoal and chalk, and always he painting on the road in the countryside. He painting like real in the art book. You can see these videos. He painting like a door, and he painting for prank anybody. Next the videos, he painting what is that, and he painting a new art for prank. This like a snake. Okay, wow, very big snake and green colors. You can see it. Wow, nice. He very painting with the detail. And for prank his wife wake up. Very scary. Oh, what is that? I'm scared. And next video is painting like a hole. What is animal? There is a cube. It's a cute rabbit. He add the colors. Very nice colors. Wow, very cute. Oh, the dog is coming. Okay, next the video. He painting another place and painting another hole with the charcoal. He painting with his skill like real. It's very nice art. He's talent in the world. Very nice. And next, what is that? And he painting a new art with Spider-Man. He add the red color with the blue color. He add the detail of this art. Wow, very nice red colors. Spider-Man. It's very detailed. Okay, next the video. What is that? You can see this. Another place and another art. Different style of art. I need him to painting for my art book. Very nice. Very cute. So amazing. Wow. look so real. If you think this video of art, you can comment down below. For more art, I will make more video for you for relax with this video. Okay, see next videos. Always see painting more art. Sometimes for playing with the animal, and sometimes he playing with the people living there. Wow. In these videos, he making in his house. It is bacon for playing with his dog or cat, for playing with his animal. Wow, like a big bacon, like a real bacon can eat this. Oh, it is bacon. Cannot eat this bacon right now. Very nice. Oh, cannot eat. Last one. Making a hole. What is that? If someone knows, please comment down below. In this video, it is finished. We'll finish right now. Okay. Thank you to anyone that watching this video until finish. Thank you. Bye bye guys. See you next videos.